are going to discuss how to convert 3D object to 2D object in AutoCAD. So it is the AutoCAD software where we are going to draw 2D and 3D objects for designing purposes. So this is the workspace and this is the command bar. So this is the views which we are going to see the object in a particular view, or else here also we can see the particular view of the object. These are the visual styles. 2D wireframe is used for 2D objects and remaining are used for the 3D objects. So now before going to draw, we need to set the limits, units. Okay, so for that now I am giving the command as UN enter for setting the units. Okay, so in this we are having different types of lengths. So in this now I am giving the decimal, next precision as 0.0, and the units for insertion scale I am giving as millimeter and click on OK. So this is the first step, and next step is setting the limits. So limits is used for setting of the page. Now it is asking for the lower left corner, that is 0.0, and upper right corner I am giving the A4 size number, that is 210, 297. It is in mm, and click on OK. So next, to zooming the origin to center, I am using the zoom option. So command for zoom is Z enter and click on A enter for getting the origin to center space. Okay, now I am going to draw 2D object and I am converting it to 3D. So now I am giving the command as rectangle, REC enter. Okay, now we need to set the first corner. Next, specify the other corner. So before specifying other corner, I want to give the dimensions for the rectangle. So go to dimensions, D enter, and give the length as 50 and width as 50. Okay, and again it is asking for the other corner point. Next, using the extrude option, EXT enter, convert this 2D object into 3D. So it is asking for the select objects to extrude. So select the object to extrude and click on enter. Next, specify the height. Now I am giving the height as suppose 60, enter. So 2D sketch is converted into 3D, but it is in workspace. To get the object in 3D, go to visual styles and check on the any one of this option to see the object in the different visual styles of 3D. So click on conceptual. So the object can be seen in 3D object. To see the object in 360 degrees, you can use this display commands. Okay, so I want to rotate, that is orbit. So use the orbit, click on orbit and move the object, or we can rotate the object in any direction. So this is how we can orbit the object, 3D object in 360 degrees. Okay, so next I want to draw a circle here. I need to get the extrude option, and in this phase I need to draw a circle and remove it. So for that, give the option as circle, or else you can pick the circle option from here. So I'm taking the center and radius option. Okay, so in this phase I need to draw a circle at center. So for that, just go to this midpoint point on this edge, just move the cursor and again come here and get the midpoint, snap point and move the cursor in this direction. At the intersection of these 2 points you will get the center point. So click that center point and give some radius. So radius I am giving it as some 20 and click on enter. So circle has drawn on that face. So now I need to extrude this circle in this direction. So for that, give the command as extrude, EXT enter, select object, that object is circle. So click on circle. Next, click on enter. Now give the specified direction, that is the height of the extrusion. I am giving it as 50, enter. So like this we have drawn the circle in this direction. So now in this phase I need to remove the circle. Okay, Again give the command as circle, C, enter, specify the center point using this previously. So set the midpoint here. Just move the cursor in this direction, we'll get the green dotted lines, so that is the midpoint. And again in this edge, set the midpoint and move the cursor in this direction. So this is the center point of these two midpoints. Just click the center points and specify the radius. Specify the radius. I am giving the radius as some 15, enter. So diameter is 30, the circle is drawn. Now I need to remove this circle. Okay, so for that you can use either press pull. You need to use the press pull for removing or addition of all the objects, whereas extrude is used for only addition and only adding of the material. Okay, so use the command as press pull. So press pull is used to remove the object from a 3D solid object. So click on enter, specify, select object or bounded area. So we need to select the area, that is inner side of the area, to remove it. Okay, so I have selected the inner circle area. Just select it and remove and give the direction in opposite, that is we need to select the area inside. We need to drag the cursor inside of the object so that the selected object is removed. So click anywhere in the workspace, so click it, so object is removed from the workspace. So like this we need to remove any inner area from the selected object. Okay, so next, so this is about the uh, removing of the object. So next, so I have drawn it. Next we need to convert this 3D object into 2D object by specifying in either first angle or third angle projection. Okay, so for that this is the model where we have drawn the 3D object, and these are the layouts where the object is where the object can be seen in the different types of page layouts. Okay, so now I need to get a layout where we need to get the object in either first angle or third angle. So for that, go to layout, right click and click on from template. Okay, so here we will have different types of templates for AutoCAD. Now I'm going to sheet sets. In this we'll have different types of either architectural, civil or mechanical, like manufacturing imperial or metric. Now I'm using manufacturing imperial to get the layout of this figure. So it is ANSYS title block, or you can use another template also. From template, sheet sets, metric. Here it will be related to ISO. Previously it is related to ANSI codes and it is related to ISO codes. Now I am using this code, this layout. Okay, so here we can see the new layout, that is ISO A3 title box. So this is the how title box will be. So this is related to manufacturing metric. Here we can edit the name also if you want. Okay, so just double click on it and check the value. So manufacturing metric, if you want you can edit it. Now I am editing. Okay, the file name is 3D object to 2D object. Okay, like this we can do it. Next, now I need to get this model, the model which I drawn previously. I need to get this model either in 3D projection, either in first angle projection or third angle projection. So for that, go to layout in the menu bar. Okay, click on base. You will get from model space or from inventor. So from model space, click on model space. Will directly go to that the figure which I had drawn before. So now we need to set the orientation. In which orientation we need to set it. Now in this we are going to use the object in first angle projection. Coming to first angle, first you will get the front view, and beside you will get the side view, and down you will get the top view. So like that we need to keep the views. So first we're going for the front view. So front view of the object is like this. So after keeping the position of the front view, just click on OK. So automatically it will projected to the other views. So this is the top view and this is the side view. So side view means which side view? That is the left side view. In the first angle position to the right, you will get the left side view, whereas to left you will get the right side view. So after that, if you want, you can keep the isometric view also. So just click any point in the workspace, that is in the layout, to get this isometric view. So after completion of this setting the views, just click on right click and click on enter. So like this the objects of the views are shown. If you want to get this 3D object in solid, just click on it, go to edit view, okay, and click on shaded with visible lines. So this is about the getting of the solid object of isometric view. Now if you want, you can change the sizes or any properties of this object by selecting it. Go to edit view, okay. If you want, you can change the sizes of the particular object, okay. If you change one object, automatically it will be applied on the other side views also. So like this. Now I'm using only 1:1 ratio for this, okay. Next, for this view also, if you want, you can give these shaded views or visible lines or visible and hidden lines. So like this, if you want, you can change these properties of the selected views, okay. Now I'm going to make this. Suppose if you want to give the sectional view or detailed views also, you can make it. So I need to make a sectional view for this object, okay. So go to sectional, select any one of these options, select the full section. Now select one view, specify first point and specify other point, just drag to other side and click the position, okay. Next, after this, click on OK. So like this, you will get the sectional view. So this is the hatching of this sectional view, identifier A. If you want to edit this sectional view, just double click on it, okay. You will get these options like hidden lines, visible lines, or if you want, you can change this sectional view size. Next, coming to show visible label. If you want to change identifier also, you can change it by giving any one of these names. So I've given only A. And if you want to get the hatching lines, just give the option as show hatching. If you don't want the hatching lines, just turn off it. So like this. So now I need to go give the hatching lines. So I've given the option as show hatch. So after these options are edited, just click on OK, okay. So if you want, you can move this A here also like this. Next, coming to how to give the dimensions for this. So go to annotate, click on linear, so specify this two lines and specify the any one of the position to locate the dimensions. So now I need to give the colors for these dimension lines. Just click on this arrow to change the dimension style. So just click it, click on modify, go to lines, select any color, and next go to symbols and arrows, change the arrow size if you want. Next go to text, next select any color for the text, given is red, and if you want, you can change the text height also. After giving these settings, just click on OK and click on set current and click on OK. So like this, select this linear option to give the dimensions for linear lines, okay. Like this you need to give the dimensions. So next, if you want to give the dimensions for circles, let's go for the radius or diameter. For giving this, just click on radius. So this is the radius. And if you want to give the position of center of the position of the circle, just give, select one center point and one end point, okay. So this is how to give the dimensions for the circle. And if you want to give the text for this views. So go for the text, that is multi-text. Okay, so enter. So this is the command for the multi-text. Just specify the first corner and other corner. Okay, next in the annotate, go for the text height and give the specify height, that is 5. Enter. Now type the view of this. Okay, and click on OK. So this is about the front view. Next, again give the command as empty. Enter. Specify first corner and other corner and give the height as 5. Enter. And now give the name of the view, that is the left side view, and click on close editor. Next, again give the empty. Enter. Specify first corner, another corner, specify the height 5. Enter. And give the name of the view, that is top view. Similarly, give the names for the sectional view and isometric view. Empty. Enter. This is the sectional view. So next, coming to, if you want to get the detailed view of a specified location, just go to layout, select the option as detail, and in that circular specify any one of these views, and just specify one location and draw a circle over here. So this is about the sectional view. So this is the, there will be some options like smooth with border, smooth with connection line, and jagged. So I'm giving the option as smooth with jagged line, connection line, and after specifying any location, just right click and enter. So this is about the detail view. So now I'm giving the name as detail view. Empty. Enter. Specify first corner, another corner, and specify the height 5. Enter. So this is about the detail view, and click on close. So this is about the giving the text for these views. So after that, now I need to change this text into one layer. So coming to layers, you will see. Okay, so for that, click on layer option, layer command. The command for layer is layer. Enter. You will get different types of layers. I am creating 2 layers, that is center mark. Okay, and I'm assigning color to the center mark as green. Next, another layer I'm creating as dimensions, sorry, text views. Okay, so I'm assigning this color as some blue or else red. Okay, next again I'm assigning the new layer, that is dimensions. Okay, if you want, you can give the any color for this and click on OK. Now I'm selecting this text, that is views names. Okay, just right click on it, any one of these views, go to properties and change the layer to that, to the text views, so that all these dimensions will be only in one layer. So if you want to change any one of these, total views names will be changing. That is related to color, height, width. Okay, this is about the text views. Next, coming to these dimensions. So these dimensions are in 0 layer. Now I need to convert them into the dimensions. Okay, So just select all the dimensions in this layout. Okay, select this one and this one. So here we have wasted one dimension, so for that take this linear and give the dimension for this. Now select all the dimensions. Okay, select all the dimensions. Now go to layers. Now click the dimensions. So all the layers in this will be converted to that layer. So like this. So next coming to the, we are left with center mark. Center marks means we need to give the center mark for this circle. So in this annotate you will get the center mark option, that is center mark. So click on it and select the circles. So like this you will get the center marks for the circles. Okay, now I need to convert the center mark to another layer, that is the center mark. So for that select the center mark. Okay, go to layers, or else you can right click it, go to properties. Now select the layer as center mark. So these marks are converted to one layer, that is center mark. So this is about the complete conversion of 3D object into a 2D object, either in first angle or third angle projection. So this is about the first angle. So I am using the first angle projection. If you want, you can give the third angle projection also, like this. So go to ISO in this name, just right click, go to drafting standard setup. In that you will get the first angle or third angle. If you want first angle or third angle, you can use from this. So previously I have used the first angle option. So all the views are set to first angle. If you click on third angle, yeah, previously I have used the first angle option, so I don't have got the views in first angle. If you use the third angle, you get the views in third angle. So this is about the setting of the angles in the layout. So this is how we will get the views of the 3D object in a particular projections. So how to save this into PDF? So for that, go to application icon and you need to use the option as export. We need to not use the save as, whereas in save as you will not get option like PDF, you'll get only .dwg, .dws, .dws. So to convert this into PDF, go to application icon, click on export. Here you will get the option like PDF. So in this PDF you will get options like current layout or layouts. Now you need to save only this current layout. Just click on current layout, specify this any name. So I'm giving the name as 3D to 2D views. Okay, and click on save. After saving this, you will get one notice like this. So if this is the notice where the layout is converted into PDF. So if you want to check this PDF, just go to desktop. So this is the 3D to 2D views. Just open it. So this is how the layout is saved to PDF. So here we can see the product by AutoCAD. So this is how the PDF of the page is converted. So this is how we have set the front view, left view, top view of this object. If you want to see these views in AutoCAD model also, you can see it. So go to AutoCAD. So this is the views where we are going to see the views. So if you click on front view, you get direct go to front view. And if you click on top view, this is the top view. And if you want to click on left side view, this is the right side view, back view, and this is the left side view. So same as it is we have seen in this, same as it is we have seen in this layout also. So this is how we are converting this 3D object into 2D, that is in projections. So here we have seen the object is not parallel. So if you want to set this object, 3D object or 2D object into parallel, so just go to your icon and click on this arrow, so you can get it to arrow. So this is how we have convert a 3D object into 2D in projection. So this is about the conversion of the 3D object to 2D object in AutoCAD. So If you want to get more videos from my channels, just subscribe to my channel. We'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.